Second pickup today. I passed on those bronze. Is a downtown Air Force One low. I'm still not a big fan of all the changes with the Air Forces, downtowns and the rest. There were 3 that released this morning while everybody was out chasing the rest. These downtowns shipped with these darker strings are the fighter jets, of course, the same camos that you're used to seeing. Would have been nice if they had this dull gray area around the eye stay to be 3M reflective. They did not. They also shipped with the darker laces only, and I think they should have shipped with orange laces. Therefore, I added them. Y'all tell me what you think. On the bottom, we have orange rolling through that clear sole and peeking through where the cutouts are. These cutouts on this style of a sole we see on the downtowns and on the LF-1s, the Lunar Forces. And I think that little bit of orange is just something that needs to be accented with orange laces. The reds, the whites, those are for the fighter jet foams. I know a lot of people still don't like the fighter jet foams. I do. Like them better than this overall. But this is still a great Air Force One color up. I would have liked to seen it on a normal Air Force. Even done up with a little bit more exclusive. Along the lines of the camos last year. But this is nevertheless what we got. A good colorway, quick strike, and they won't last long. So don't sleep on them. Look through all the hype with the corks. Find the good things sitting underneath. This is one of them, in my opinion. Fighter jets. A nice canvas look. Very well done, very well put together. And with that orange coming through on that opaque clear sole. Very good look. As I said, I think it looks better when you accent it with orange laces. My take, my shoes, buy what you like, rock what you like. And don't be afraid to be different. My personal opinion that Volt LeBron is much better than the corks. Just my opinion. And these are good. Kind of a crimson morning here with these. And the crimson 3s. That's what I went after. Phoenix Suns on deck. Foams next week. As always, you can find me at samcolt12.com. Google Plus, Instagram, and video as well. Instagram for still photos. Crimson 3s this morning. And downtown lows, 1 of 3. Fighter jets. Still may go back and pick up the Ironmans. I always wanted those since they were a GS from a couple years ago. Not real sure I like the profile though. I would have loved them just to step up and make a normal men's size. Just like they had the GS. Would have loved to have those. We'll have to see. Those are, I think, a Nike.com only. I didn't see them at the store that I went to, so time will tell. Nevertheless, I'm very happy to have these fighter jets.